Welcome to another episode of Hey John, and today we're going to give a quick update on the hidden pocket we installed.
So they just call this like a console upgrade or something. I would call it the secret pocket, maybe. They tried a different solution, and it will be interesting to see how well the tape holds up to the heat. And now we have an extra little compartment. So guys, you remember we installed our secret pocket inside of our console? And I had a little concern. Well, there we go. The secret pocket is no longer secret. The tape unstuck. And so now things have just, every time I go around a corner, flip, flop. And this was supposed to be the new improved tape. So, have to say, a little disappointed. It was handy having the secret pocket up here. But I think part of the problem is this is corrugated. So it doesn't give it a nice smooth surface to stick to. Try again, guys. I don't know what to suggest. Maybe something on the edges. I don't know. Anyhow, just thought I'd give you a quick update. Not sure I would go get another one of these until they come up with a better way. Thanks.
Hey, if you enjoy watching these sorts of videos, please like and subscribe. It helps a lot. Thanks. Have a great day.